And we're back to learning Premiere Pro, and this time I'm going to show you a simple kaleidoscope effect. I think this effect looks best on night footage of a city, something like this, where the camera zooms into the streets. You'll find the clip that I'm using via description link below. Let me just hold Alt and I drag copies on top of one another. I need 4 in total, so video channel 1 up to video channel 4. If you don't see video channel 4, you can simply hold Alt and drag a copy on top of your last video channel and a new one will be opened automatically by Premiere Pro. So let me create a 5th one. You can see that I don't need it, so I delete it. As I've said, we only need 4 in total. So in my case, the video file has the perfect size for my sequence, so 920 times 1080. So I just cut that in half. So let me go to scaling and I make it 50% for each. If you've got a clip that's, I don't know, let's say twice the size of 920 times 1080, you need to cut it to 25% and so forth. Once you've done that, go to Effect, type in Flip, and we need a horizontal and vertical flip. Drag the horizontal on the first one, video channel 4, vertical on video channel 3, both of them on video channel 2, and we leave the one on video channel 1 unaffected. And now it's all about repositioning them. Double click on the first one, this is now video channel 4, put it to the left bottom. You can also use the arrow keys and position that a little bit more in detail. Then double click on one in the center, it's now video channel 3, put that to the top right. Once again, use the arrow keys to make the smaller adjustments. Put video channel 2 to the top left and video channel 1 to the bottom right. You can also use other combinations, but that one looks good, I think. And when we now roll the clip, we already have our kaleidoscope effect. If you haven't positioned everything correctly, like I did right here on top, you can just select these channels and then use once more the arrow keys for repositioning. It's good to find a position where you can see a black gap, for example right here, and then you can double click on your preview window on one of these 4 video elements and then use the arrow keys. And this is how you can create such a kaleidoscope effect in Premiere Pro. I hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.